If you are struggling for creating killer packaging design for your product, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create amazing packaging design like this in just few minutes right inside the Pacdora. So Pacdora is amazing design tool which allow you to create the next level packaging design for your product, and you can also create the mockups right inside this tool. So this is the beauty of our today's video. So without wasting any time, let's get started and create something right inside this video.
You can see here we are on our laptop screen over here. So when you click on the description link, so you will be landed up on this page over here. This is the Pacdora's landing page. So you can just create your account. So it will be looking like this over here, and you can explore. Here is the 2000 plus packaging designs mockups available. So you can explore your product or in which category you want to create the design. So over here, firstly, you can see this 3 option templates and islands mockups. So firstly, we explore the different templates over here like this. So you can just search your term if you want to create design for any kind of portal scans. So you can just go and select your design. So for creating a design from scratch, so I will click on this workbench over here. So it will open up your dashboard over here. Here you will find your previously created design like this one you can see over here. And for creating a new design, I will show you. Just click on this new packaging design over here. So by default, it will be open into a box design, so don't worry about. It's basically a Canva for the packaging designers. If you have no design experience, if you don't have any kind of design experience, so you can use it Pacdora for creating packaging design or customizable design for your product. So for this, I will just click on over here. So here is, you can see it will open like this, and I will design in this video like this pouch design for an very company. So I think this will be good for me. So I will select it and click on this complete. So it will be open into my design mode. So you can directly switch between design mode or mockup mode. So you can directly interact your design into this 3D format. Okay. So you can see over here, and I will show you how you can interact. And you can also see this little window over here. So when you are do some changes into your artwork, it will be reflected into your 3Ds, your product. Okay. So firstly, just select the artwork or design, and I'm designing some kind of strawberry spur stuff. So I will go with this light pink color. I think this one is pretty good. And I have already downloaded some design from images from the Google. So I will also provide these kind of images into the description. So if you are interested in this, so you can download. Okay. So just click on the image and place it over here. I think it will be the good. Okay. And it's good. Okay. So you can see over here, we make any changes over here and it will be reflected in our design. Oh, okay. And now we place it like this, and let's add some text. So here is the some kind of different text preset available inside the Pacdora. So you can just explore. I'm go with this black one and just decrease the size and paste it exactly into the center. And just taking select more size and play. Now it's looking good over here, and you can also see. Okay, so it's looking good now. And our text. So when you are creating any kind of design, so I will suggest you to write your text into any kind of text editor. In our case, we use the Google Docs or Notion. So let's add our text with the company's name, and this text over here goes here, and let's adjust it like this. Okay, I think we'll go this and this. Press enter. So it will be into the. Now we add our product name to step up, and this control V to paste it, and it's looking good. Now you can ungroup this if you want to make any kind of changes like changing the font. Here is a free commercial font available, so you can directly use into your design. There is any kind of restriction. Okay, so it's pretty fun when designing different products into the Pacdora. So you can also design your own. And now change this one. And okay, and let's add some text into the back side. So I'm going with this one. It's pretty good. So let's ungroup this and make some changes like this one, and you can just flip it over here to see what kind of changes you are making into your design. So it will be how it's look like into your final product over here. So you can see it's quite good. Okay, so you can customize it like this. And let's set our product name or top name. Where is kept lock on? Then I can go to the shop, and I also change the name of product Stella, and then I also change the font. It was like middle of good, and for this one, so I want to change the font. Now it look similar. Okay, so you can make changes according to which one you like. So you can make changes according to your, because it's your product. And now we add our tagline over here, the real taste of trend. Taste, this good. It's up ready. Okay, I think it's good till now. And you can also add the address and change the logo. By default, there is a Pacdora's logo, but in your case, you can add your soft logo or product logo. So we have successfully designed our product domain. Now switch to the mockup mode over here, and here you can interact with your design, how it's looking good. And you can also see the bottom side, top side, okay, each and every aspect of your design with the help of its great interactive editors. You can also change the color which you like I'm going with this. I think this one is pretty good, not this one. I did make it right there. Okay, now it's good. And you can also add the different animation. There is a bunch of preset animation available, so you can use into your design and download the final product which you like. So like this, and go with this one is pretty amazing for me, and it's a way to showcase your product which you are going to launch. So for downloading this, I will suggest you to click on this export and launch. So it will be open a window like this, and here you can also interact and changing the color to the, you can also changing the ratio. If you are creating a video, so you can, I will suggest you to download this into this format and like this. Okay, so just click on this video tab, and you can also add this into your website. So here they will providing the code as well, so you can just go and share this code with your website editor, so they will definitely end it. Okay, so and I will also like this animation, and when I click on this export HTMP4, so it will be a prompter over here. So the rendered video will be sent into your email in 20 minutes. So they will send the video, so you can download the video and share it into your social media platform and add it into your website. So it's pretty amazing process downloading or creating your design right inside the Pacdora, so you can use it from your product. And if you are a freelancer, then you can design in just few minutes, and let's make your process more smoother than any kind of hard software. So you can just go and design your product.
That's it for the today's tutorial, guys. Hope you learned something new. We designed amazing packaging design right inside the Pacdora in just few minutes. So if you are planning to upgrade to the Pacdora Pro, so you can use the code DT50, so you will get the 50% directly off, because you are amazing people and the subscriber of our community. So till then, take care of yourself. Tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing tutorial.